Alright everybody, well if you've been with the channel for a little while, you know what these two bikes are. This right here is my 82 DT100. It is one of my favorite bikes to ride around. It's kind of sad because I killed it the other day. I mentioned that in my channel update video that I murdered it, and I'm kind of upset about that. And it needs a new crank, and the new crank is like $300 average, which is just too much for a bike that I got for free. So I got this bike back from my best friend. Bought it back off of him, and because he bought it off of me. And well, I really like the red more than the yellow for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's just like the tank decals are cooler. Let's see. Got the yellow tank. Oh no, the yellow tank's back inside. Hold on, let me go grab the yellow tank. Okay, so yeah, this is the yellow tank versus the red tank, and I don't know, the red just looks so much cooler. I like the look of the red more for the tank, though the yellow enduro thing looks cooler. And I might intermix them again because I've done that at one point, and I just kind of like the look. It looks really cool. Gives me like rat rod bike vibes. But yeah, so here we are. And I'm gonna get to just go into town on pulling the engines out of both of these and seeing what I need to do with each to get it going. And then we're gonna get it going. So I will see you guys in a little while after I get this all fixed up. Alright, so the bike is here. The battery died. I have a shot of me yelling about it dying. But here is the current status of the bike. It's running a bit too lean, but so it does run, and so far the tank is okay, which is good. Red coat tank sealant, good stuff. But yeah, now I gotta move the seat bracket to here and weld that on, and then put the seat back on. So it's really what I'm working on. I gotta get the old seat clip off of the seat. I welded it on farther up, so I just gotta pop that off and try to clean it up and put it back on, and then yeah, finish up. I gotta mess with some wiring, put some blinkers back on it, but other than that, she's good to go. So yeah. All right, everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, the bike is apart, and that is because I did actually have it running last night and riding around, but it ran like crap, and not like how I know it runs. So I was just pulling it apart. I was just checking things out. The cylinder is actually in really good condition. It sounds like the main bearings might be a little bit upset, but you know, we won't talk about that because you don't hear it. It's loud enough, right? Anyways, while I was tearing it apart, I found a couple things that were a little bit interesting. First things first, this is the reed cage, the stock reed cage for the 82. And actually, you can see right here, it fits in there. It's pretty small. Well, the reed cage on the 79, it's actually bigger, and allows for, of course, more airflow to go through it, which is great, which means it'll be faster. And that's why the 79 was always faster than the 82. But next thing is the cylinder head gasket. So we're actually doing a little bit more performance mods to this. I don't know if I mentioned, but I did a little bit of a clutch work on this, just a couple like added spacers on the clutch, so the springs will be a little bit heavier. But here we got two different head gaskets, and if you can see that right there, this one on the right is thinner, and that was what was on the 82s. The 82 has a little bit more compression than the 79, so we're gonna throw this on there. They're the same head gasket, even though they look a little bit different, they're the same. So throw them on there, and throw the head back on and put everything back together. Got to make sure this pipe seals up with the cylinder, and then we'll put her back together and get her tested and see how she goes. So I will be right back.
Hi. Hey guys, welcome back. So I don't know, I got lost up in time. What did I just say? I lost track of time, and I thought I finished the video. I did not. As you can see, the bike is red now. So the 79 DT that I have, I took all the stuff off of that and put it on here. I still have the other yellow parts, but you know, they're not gonna go on for now. This tank is in better condition, just in terms of like the inside of it. But I will say that I have been cruising around on this thing for a while. It's been a very good bike to me, and it's not really had too many problems after I fixed it up a little bit. But this is the end of the road for this bike on this channel. This bike will be heading to a buddy of mine. He has already agreed to buy it. I got a bike from his family, and he really likes this thing, so I told him I'd sell it to him. So that's where this thing's going. But just so y'all can see, oh boy. Yeah, she hasn't run in a while, so that's probably why she freaked out like that when she fired up. There we go, that's better. Not a fan of that, but yeah, so she's pretty awesome. The idle's really high right now, but once she warms up, it gets lower. It's getting lower right now. But yeah, we're gonna go take this thing up for a spin, do some actual like proper ripping on it, and give her a good final send off. So I will see you guys at the trail. guys, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me be stupid on this little bike. As you can see, I don't really fit on it. I think the seat height is like 2 feet off the ground. I'm 6'4", so it's kind of a ridiculous sight to see. Oh no! Oh, I just haven't tightened that back down. Anyways, yeah, this thing has been an absolute trooper. I love this bike, but it's too small for me, and it can't go where I want it to go. Well, it can go off-road everywhere. It can't go down the road like I want it to. So it is time to say goodbye to the little DT. She will be missed, but she will be with a buddy of mine. So if I ever want to see her again, I'll just give him a call. So yeah, Reese, I hope you enjoy the bike. But for now, she's all good to go. She's leaving the nest. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Well, I mean, do whatever you want to do. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe, because I do a lot of stuff like this, and I've been really bad about posting as of late, but summer's coming up. I'm going to try to make some stupid videos. If you remember the RAV4, which will be like right there, the video for the RAV4, if you remember that, we're going to try to find another thing like that this summer. Hopefully I'll find one. I want to. And yeah, I got plans. We got 2 more bikes. The go-kart's coming back. I got some plans for that. So it's just, everything's in motion. We're almost there. So, you know, yeah. Oh wow, that finally popped off. Okay. There's a little piece here that covers the threads for the mirror here, and they finally popped off. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.